Welcome friends. In this video I am going to show you my top Oracle based coins, and I will do technical analysis of these coins and I will tell you my price targets of these tokens. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description, and please thumbs up the like button right now. These are Oracle coins, and currently Oracle market is 14.56 billion market cap of Oracle based coins, and sector dominance is 0.86%, and sector 24-hour volume is 1.95 billion, and sector 24-hour change is minus 6.08, and sector 7-day changes in market cap is 2.17%. And these are some coins, and let me please show you my first pick. My first pick is Chainlink Link coin. It is currently trading at $27.34, and price decreases 6.9%. Market cap of this token, this coin is 11.3 billion, and 24-hour trading volume of this token is 1.3 billion. Circulating supply of this token is 414 million, and maximum supply of this token is 1 billion, and current track of this token is 11, and 20 in 1 year this token gives 1272% profit to its holders, and market cap dominance of this token is 0.65%. And all-time high of this token was on February 20, 2021, about 1 month ago, and price was 36.95, and all-time low of this coin was on November 29, 2017, and price was $0.148183 about 3 years ago. And these are some exchanges where this coin is listed, and if you want to buy this token from Binance Exchange, then please go to in this video's description where you can get the link of Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 30 seconds to create. And if you want to collect some Hotbit, some small cap coins, then please click on this link, and it is the link of Hotbit Exchange where you can get some small cap altcoins. And if you want to do open leverage trading account, then click on this link, and this is the link of Bybit Exchange. Let's dive into the chart, and let me please tell you what are the targets right now. This is the Chainlink US dollar 1-day chart, and currently it is trading at $27.13, and this is the support zone, which is at $25.49, and this is second support zone, which is 22.59. I think Chainlink is rejected from that zone. Here you can see rejected from $37.7, and it is currently rejected from this zone too, which is $34 price mark, $34.35, and currently it is at $27.15. First target will be this. Let me please show you. I think maybe it can go down to hit this target, maybe first target, and maybe it can go to hit this target, and after that I think it will go up like this. You can say it will maybe it will go down to $22 price level, and after that we may see price pullback. And if this happen, let me please show you what is the target. And in that case, if it break this horizontal support zone, in that case, let me please show you what are the targets. Friends, keep supporting me and please thumbs up the like button right now. Maybe price may down to $18 or maybe $16.7 according to the technical analysis, but for this move, Chainlink have to break these all support zone, but I think maybe Chainlink go to $22, and after that it will go up. This is my prediction, I think so. And let me please tell you long duration and medium duration target for the Chainlink right now. And these green lines are support zone for the Chainlink, and these red lines are resistance levels of the Chainlink right now. And let me please show you how Chainlink, how much potential Chainlink has. Let me please show you. You can see Chainlink is up up to 34,000% from the beginning, and it is now at let me please show you. It is now at it is now at it is now gaining it is the gain. It has 24,673%, and how much profit it will it give it to its holders, and this is the thing main. And I think Oracle Coins has having bright future. That is why I am making this video, and so that please thumbs up the like button right now. Let me please show you my medium duration and long duration target for the Chainlink right now. Friends, please keep supporting me and please thumbs up the like button. Sorry for that. I think within 2021 and maybe within 6 months, Chainlink can hit $100 price mark. I think so, and it is very much I think possible, and Chainlink can hit $100 in this bull run. And this is my prediction. This is my first target, and my second target according to the Fib retracement tool is this zone. 150 is my second target. These are two targets for long duration for the Chainlink. Maybe it will take 1 year or maybe 6 months, 6 months to 1 year to Chainlink to have to get this target, these targets. And but these are my targets: $100 and $150 within maybe 1 year and maybe within 1.5 year. And let me please show you my second coin. Band protocol. Band is currently trading at $13.22 and price decreases 11.7% in 24 hours. Market cap of this token is 299 million and 24-hour trading volume is 202 million. Circulating supply of this token is just 22 million and total supply of this token is 100 million. And 24-hour low price was 12.73 and 24-hour high price was 14.97. Current track of this token is 159, and these are some price statistics. In 1 year, this token gives 4,267% profit to its holders. Band protocol return on investment is 2,693%, which is very good. Market cap dominance is 0.02%, and all-time high of this token was on February 13, 2021, about 1 month ago, and the price was $20.38. And all-time low of this token was on November 25, 2029, and the price was $0.20. And currently it is available on these exchanges: Binance, Coinbase, HBTC, Whitebit, and some other important exchanges. And if you want to buy this token from Binance Exchange, then go to in this video's description where you can get the link of this Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create account. It will take only 30 seconds to create. Let's dive into the chart and let me please tell you my targets. Friends, please thumbs up the like button for the motivation right now. This is the Band protocol chart, and let me please arrange this chart too. This is Band protocol US dollar 1 day chart, and here you can see this was the resistance level of the Band protocol. Was at 20 point you can say $20, and let me please arrange this too. And this is the support zone for the Band protocol right now, and it is currently at $10.70 is the current support zone for the Band protocol. And the second support zone is that zone. Let me please do this. $6.67 is second support zone, and third zone is this is the third zone. Let me please do this. These are sport and sport zones for the band protocol. These are, let me please tell you my first target according to the patterns and according to the chart. Please friends, stay in this video and please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. It is currently trading at $13.05, and maybe price will go down to hit this level, which is 6.7, or maybe, let me please tell you. Maybe price will go to hit this level $10.7, or maybe it will hit this. But I think it should have to bounce back from that zone, and after that it will have to go up, I think so. Let me please tell you my first target if this happens according to the technical analysis. Let me please show you. Once if it break this horizontal resistance, which is currently at $10.82, then maybe it will go down to hit this zone, and maybe it will go down to hit 6.67, but I am not sure. But I think that this token should have to hit this zone and 10.65. After that it have to move towards upside, and let me please show you what kind of gain this token give to its holders, and let me please show you. This token gives at 4,951% profit to its holders, and this is very good profit, I think so. And let me please show you my next targets, medium duration and long duration targets. You can say 5,000% profit this token gives to its holders in this chart. On this chart you can see, and let me please show you my targets, medium duration and long duration targets. Friends, please keep supporting me and please thumbs up the like button right now for this effort right now. $50 is my target, I think, and this token have to hit this zone within 6 months, or maybe within 2021, and this is my first target. You can say the target of 6 months to 8 months, and maybe it will go up to hit this zone $80 or $85, but I think 85 is very realistic target for the bank protocol, and I think it should have to give you 300 to 400% profit within this year, and maybe it will go up to hit this zone and will give you 300% profit, or maybe it will go to hit this Fibonacci level, last Fibonacci level, which is at $87, and it will give you 500%. But my target is $50 to $55 in this year, and maybe it will go to hit this zone. $50 to $55 is my target for the band protocol, and in 2021. Let me please show you my third pick. Friends, please keep supporting me and please thumbs up the like button right now. DIA. It is currently trading at $3.19, and current rank of this token is 349. Market cap of this token is just 82 million, and trading volume of this token is 47 million, and maximum supply of this token is just 200 million, and circulating supply of this token is just 25 million. And let me please show you some price statistics. In 30 days it gives 7.1% profit to its holders, Market cap dominance of this token is 0.5844, and all-time high of this token was on September 2, 2020, and the price was $5.13. All-time low of this token was $0.80 on August 3rd, 2020, about 8 months ago. And this token is available on these exchanges: Binance, VBC Exchange, and BK Exchange. And if you want to buy this token on Binance Exchange, just click on this video's description, and where you can get the link of this Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. Let's dive into the chart of this DAI. Let me please show you. DAI was rejected from $6.13, and it is now currently trading at $3.18. And this is the horizontal resistance, which is at $4.5. And this is the support zone, which is $1.83. And let me please show you the second support zone, which is I think very interesting. And this is the second support zone, and this is also a support zone for. This is the day chart of US dollar Binance chart, and this is the second support zone. Let me please show you what is the target. My first target is that zone. I think maybe it will go to hit this $2.9, and after that it will go up. But if unfortunately it break this horizontal support zone, in that case maybe it is going to hit this 1.74, but I'm not sure. But I think this is very realistic, 2.93, and it have to hit this, and after that it have to move towards upside. This is the target, first target, you can say. Maybe after that we see a pullback from the price in price from this token, and maybe if it break this horizontal resistance, maybe it will go to hit this zone, which is 2.25. These are last major support zone for this token, I think so. 2.93 and $2.25. These are major support zone for this token right now, and these are support zone. These are two support zone, and once it break this horizontal resistance, then our first target will be this zone. Let me please show you. Then in that case our first target will be this, and our second target, let me please show you. A beautiful cup and handle pattern you can see. Let me please show you. This is like a cup, and this is like and once it break this zone, then definitely let me please show you what is the medium duration target. Once it break this zone, or you can say this zone, in that case it have to go to hit this zone, and it have to move towards upside and have to hit this zone, and will have to create a new all-time high, $6.7. But for this it have to break this resistance zone, which is $4.45, and after that it have to hit break this zone, which is $6.13. And let me please show you my last target. My target for this token in 2021. Let me please show you. $15 is very realistic target according to technical analysis, and it have to give you 364% profit, or maybe it will hit this zone of Fibonacci, which is $23, and maybe it will hit this zone within 2021 and will give you 600% profit. But I think $15 is very realistic target for this token, and it have to give you 370% to 400% profit to its holder, I think so, and that is a good profit. Let me please show you my fourth pick, which is, let me please show you, which is DOS Network. I am very much bullish on this. I think it has this token has very bright future. DOS token, DOS Network. It is currently trading at $0.12 and price decrease 5.5% in 24 hours. And let me please show you some statistics. Market cap of this token is just $16 million, and 24-hour trading volume is just 8 you can 8 lakh 71,000 just, and you can say 87. This token gives in 1 year 8,070% profit to its holder. All-time high of this token was on August 13 and price was $0.38. All-time low of this token was on March 14, 2020 and price was 0.00075. And this token is available on these exchanges: Uniswap, Poloniex, BK Exchange and Binance Dex. You can buy this token from these exchanges, and if you want to buy this token and if you want to invest in this token, then please do it at your own risk, because I will not responsible. This video is just for informational purpose only, and I will not responsible for any of your losses, because this video is just for information purpose. Let's dive into the chart, and let me please show you the chart. DOS was currently DOS was rejected from $0.19 and it is currently trading at $0.12. I think maybe price will go down to hit this zone because it creates double top here. You can see this is the double top. Here you can see this is the double top, and maybe price will go down to hit this zone, and after that price will go up. Maybe price will touch this zone 0.077, and after that price will go up. Let me please remove this. Currently it is the support zone for this token, and maybe it will pull back from this zone $0.10 and will go up, but to be very realistic, maybe price go down to 0.077. And let me please show you. This is the all-time high of this token on this chart, which is Tether USD 1 over Poloniex chart, 1-day chart, and all-time low of this token is $0.028, and all-time high of this token on this chart is $0.41. And let me please tell you my first target. According to the, after hitting this zone, it have to hit this zone. $0.19 will be our first target, and our second target will be this zone, $0.27, I think so, and 0.31 will be our third target. These are the targets. I think it have to hit within maybe 2 weeks, maybe within 1 month, I think so. And let me please show you my long duration target. $1 is very realistic target, I think so. Maybe it can hit $1 within this bull run, or maybe within 2021, or maybe it have to hit this within 1.5 year. But this is the long duration target. Maybe it will take 1 year, 1.5 year, or maybe 2 years. But I think maybe within 2021 it can hit $1 and can give you 800% profit. Let me please show you my last coin. TRB. this is my last coin and last pick. It is currently trading at $59.65 and 24-hour trading volume of this token is 168 million and market cap of this token is 72 million and 24-hour low price of this token was $55.73. 24-hour high price of this token was $66. Current rank of this token is 386. Maximum supply of this token is 1.2 million. Here you can see. And circulating supply of this token is 1.2 million. And in 1 year, this token gives 1866% profit to its holders. Market cap dominance of this token is, market cap according to the volume is 2.3%. And all-time high of this token was on August 30, 2020, and the price was $87. $87 was the price about 7 months ago. And all-time low of this token was on November 1, 2019, and the price was $0.01. And this token is available on Binance, BBC Exchange, HitBTC, OK Exchange, and BK Exchange. Before investing in this token or before buying this token, please do your own research. I will not responsible any of your losses because this video is just for informational purpose only. Let's dive into the chart and let me please show you what are the targets according to the chart pattern. This is the TRB US dollar 1 day Binance chart, and in this chart the all-time high of this token was $92 and all-time low of this token was $12.76, and currently it is trading at $60.86, and currently it is in this rising channel and you can say ascending channel. Maybe it will go down to hit this downtrend line, and after that we may see action like this, and after that it will move towards upside. Let me please tell you my first target according to the pattern. Once it broke this horizontal resistance, which is at $64, then maybe it will go to hit this zone again, $92. And these are support zone: $39, $26, $12. Maybe if it break this downtrend line, which is currently at $49, maybe it will go down to hit this zone, $39, and after that it will go up. To be very honest, if this break, then definitely it have to hit $39. Otherwise, if it move towards upside, in that case, this is our first target. But I think it have to maybe go down to $48, and after that it will pull back. This is our first target. Let me please show you my final target. Here you can see this is beautiful W. This is a beautiful W. Once it break this W, what is the target? Let me please show you. I think this will be very, very realistic, and it can hit $118 once it break this W pattern. Currently it is in this rising channel, or you can say horizontal channel, and once it break to this horizontal resistance, which is currently at $64, then definitely it will go to hit $88, $92, and $180. And let me please tell you my long duration targets. $250 I think is very, very realistic target for this token in 2021, I think so, and it will give you at least I think 300% gain within this year, and maybe it will go to hit this level, and it will hit maybe it will hit $350, maybe within 1.5 years, and maybe in 2 years. But I think 250 is very realistic target for this token right now. These are the targets. This token should have to hit these targets: $88, $92, $118, and then after that $250 was our last target, is our last target, and it can hit within 2021, within this year. Thanks for the watching, friends. Please keep supporting me, and please thumbs up the like button right now, and please join my Telegram channel. On my Telegram channel I regularly update and regularly post about upcoming events and latest information and my technical analysis and charts. Thanks for the watching, friends. Take care.